Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing mobile data usage on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the side button to open the control panel. Then tap the mobile service icon in the top left. Scroll down to the mobile data usage heading. Under current period, you can see the data used for the current period. You can also scroll down and see how much data individual apps and system services are using. You can also get to this setting from the Settings app. To do this, tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap Mobile Service. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.